Here's another example of conditional probability. Let's see if you can do this one here. Weather experts estimate that the probability of rain any day as 0.7 if the previous day rained, and 0.2 if the previous day didn't rain. So what that means is imagine you are here, okay? You are here. Now, if the previous day rained, let's say the previous day rained, so you are here, okay? Now the probability is rain or not rain. So rain or not rain. Now if the previous day rained, then what? The previous day rained. If the previous day rained, then the probability of it raining again is 0.7. So this one here would be 0.3 because, well, you can't take this here because this is a weird scenario. It's actually 0.3, not raining. Okay. So hang on. So here's another example. Hang on. So imagine you are here. You are here. It could rain or it could not rain. So rain or not rain. But the thing is, if the previous day didn't rain, let's say it was sunny. If the previous day previous day didn't rain, then the probability of it raining is 0.2. Okay. If it rained, then the probability of it raining is 0. Well, you've got to use this one this time, 0.7. Okay. I know it's a weird thing, but just press pause and think about it if you want to. Okay, so suppose you're given that the probability of it raining is 0.7 if the previous day rained, and 0.2 if the previous day didn't rain. So given that situation, what is the probability? What is the probability that a dry day is followed by 2 wet days? So what that means is, suppose you are here. So it could rain or not rain, but you're given so you are here at the moment. You're given that the previous day was a dry day. Okay, so it didn't rain because in the question it says that a dry day. So that a dry is so there should be a day here. That a dry day is followed by 2 wet days. So you're given that. In the question, you're given that this previous day is dry. Okay, so hang on, let me stick a day in there. So a dry day. Well, anyway, press pause and think about this. So you are here. You're given the initial condition that it will be a dry day here. So you are here at the moment. The previous day, it didn't rain. The previous day, it was a dry day. So press pause and think about this. What is the probability that it will rain and rain? Well, anyway, two wet days followed by a dry day. Okay, so press pause and think about it. Okay, so to do this, draw a map of all the things that could happen. So on your first day, it could rain or not rain. Okay, so you are here. But you're given that the previous day it was a dry day. So let's go back to the initial here. So you're given that the previous day didn't rain. The previous day didn't rain. So we've got to use this, not this, because the previous day. This is for the previous day raining. Okay. So well, anyway, we've got to use this 0.2 because we're given that the previous day didn't rain. So we've got to use 0.2. So the probability of it raining would be 0.2. Now, if the probability of it raining is 0.2, then the probability of it not raining would be 0.8. Okay. Now, on our second day, so remember, you are here, okay, and you're given that the previous day didn't rain. So the probability of raining is not. Well, anyway, 0.2 rain. So on our second day, it could rain or not rain, rain or not rain. Now, the probability, well, so you are here at the moment. The previous day rained. Okay, so I know this is weird. The the previous day rained. So now you've got to use 0.7. So 0.7 here. Okay. Now to go down this route here, wait there. So not if the probability is 0.7 of it raining, then not rain would be 0.3. Okay. Let's go back to the start of time. So the probability of it not raining is 0.8. Now so on your second day it could rain or not rain. But the thing is, we've just had so you're here at the moment. You're here, and the previous day, which was this day here, it didn't rain, not rain. So now the probability of it raining here, right there, is well, the previous day didn't rain. So you've got to use this one here. So the previous because you are here at the moment, you are here. The previous day didn't rain, so the probability of it raining was 0.2. Now, if the probability of it raining is 0.2, then the probability of it not raining is 0.8. Okay. Now this is your map in effect now, because the question is saying what is the probability that a dry day, supposed to be a day there, is followed by 2 wet days. So you are here and you're given the previous day as being dry, because this is in the question. Okay, you're given this in the question, dry. So the question is asking you what is the probability that the next 2 days will rain or wet. So it will be rain. So this is a good outcome. This is a bad outcome. So you need this and this, and there's only one branch, so there's no or. Okay, so there's no or. Well, anyway, so the probability of rain and rain would be 0.2 times 0.7. Okay, jump to a calculator, clear it. 0.2 0.2 times 0.7 equals 0.14. So this would be your answer. And once you've drawn your map, everything else is easy. If the question is saying, well, what is the probability of it raining the next? What is the probability of it raining only once in the next 2 days, given that the previous day was dry? So, well, raining on one day only would be this branch and this branch here. So this would be a good outcome here. Rain and not rain. So you would follow this branch. And then there's another branch, not rain and rain. So you would follow this branch here. If the question is asking, what is the probability that we will have 2 dry days, given that the previous day was dry, then you would want this branch here, not rain. Sorry, not rain and not rain. So you would get this and so you have the times. You would get this times this. Okay. Well, anyway, once you've drawn your map, it should be easy after that. Okay.